Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. So I kind of wanted to shoot a quick little holy grail video for a few of the products that I've been obsessed with lately, things that I feel like I just can't live without in my home, in my collection, and I wanted to share them with you guys. So I've got a little bit of drugstore, a little bit of beauty supply store, and a little bit of kind of luxury high-end things to try when you're kind of feeling like a princess. So I'm gonna start off with a little bit of drugstore. So first off is this baby right here. So this is my Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick eyeliner pen. It is a felt tip, so this is my third one. I have one in my purse, I have one in my makeup room, and then I always have a backup. So this is what it looks like. Let me make sure that's focusing. There we go. So it is a felt tip, and when I tell you this sucker is midnight black, I'm talking black as soot, black as night. It is gorgeous, very easy to use, a nice fine point on there so you can get a really defined wing very easily, and I like the shape of it. It's really easy to kind of like hold on to and like really get in those lashes, especially if you're wearing fake lashes. You want to get in there and cover that glue up. But awesome, awesome product. I'm just like 2 thumbs up, Makeup Revolution. I freaking love this thing. I won't be without it, and the best part, freaking $9. Less than 10 bucks for an eyeliner like this. And it is smudge proof, it is humidity proof, it goes on top of metallic shadows, glitters, it glides with ease, no issues, it doesn't change colors, it doesn't turn that weird funky green color. Awesome. I will continue to purchase that product until I am old and gray. I love it. So next up, I'm going to talk about my Holy Grail eyebrow pencil. So whenever I say Holy Grail, like literally guys, I typically have 2 to 3 on hand at all times. So you will see. So this one is the one I'm currently using. It does have this little, it does have a little spoolie on the end. Now I don't have much eyebrow hair, so a spoolie does me no good, but some of you other folks out there would enjoy the spoolie. So this LA Girl Shady Slim Pencil is very, very fine, very, very fine tip. It's a twist up. You can twist it up and down, which is nice. Some of them, you notice, some of these brands, if you twist it up, you can't twist it back down, and that kind of freaks me out. But this one, no problem. So I do pick these up at my local grocery store. It very much reminds me of like Spiked from MAC, the color. I use the shade Blackest Brown because I do dye my hair black, so Blackest Brown just works perfectly for me with my eyebrow color and my hair color. Super easy to get those little thin like hairline strokes. Super easy to like carve out your brow. I freaking love these things. I will never be without them. If your local grocery store doesn't carry them, Ulta does, and of course it's on the drugstore side, so you can always use a coupon on these. And $4.99 at my local grocery store, but I noticed they're $5.99 at Ulta for whatever reason. So there is a $1 difference some places that you may find them. Okay, and then next up, I've been getting a lot of questions on Instagram about the false lashes that I've been wearing, and I do, like whenever I go to the beauty supply store, I always grab a bunch of lashes and post them, so people are like, what are those lashes? So what are those? So it is, here they are right here. Here's a couple pairs right here that I haven't worn yet. These are from a brand called Miss Lash, and the style numbers I'm currently holding, this one is MS03. This is like one of my top 3 favorites. I also love the M362s. Like if you see those, just grab the whole stack and just take them all. You will love them. And then this is a newer one, M303B. This is my first time purchasing this pair. But I did notice when I was measuring my eye with these, this pair I will have to trim just a little bit. And this is the only pair of Miss Lashes that I've ever purchased that I actually need to trim. Typically I don't have to do that at all, and they're super easy to apply. Pop a little glue on and just lay it on that lash line. The band is just like the perfect texture, the perfect width. I'm obsessed with these lashes. They are my go-tos. I will just wear them forever and ever. So many styles to choose from. Amazing price point. These only cost me $3.49 at my local beauty supply store, but I have seen them priced anywhere from $3.49 to $3.99. And also keep in mind, you can purchase these on Amazon. One of my friends hit me to that on Instagram, that's where he found them so he could stock his kit. So just FYI, if you're, you know, kind of living in an area that doesn't have beauty supply stores anywhere near you, you can get them on Amazon. So the next step, I'm going to talk about my favorite concealer, Like, you know, this is no secret. My Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I love it. It's a fantastic product. A couple dots here and there. A dab will do you. Blend it out with your Beauty Blender sponge. Call it a day. I'm in the shade medium. This is what it looks like. I do like my concealer to be pretty bright. Good old medium right there. I use it to carve out my brows. I use this as an eyeshadow base at times. I love this stuff. I mean, humidity proof, oily skin proof. This is definitely oily skin approved. It will last you all day. It just keeps going. Now, dry skin people may not be obsessed with this, but I don't have that issue. And then next up, oh, I did purchase this at Ulta, 27 bucks. I always like to throw the price points out there. And then next up, I want to talk about something that I would consider to be more of like a luxury item, not so much prestige like the Tarte. I'm talking about my favorite luxury primer. This is the Touche Eclat Blur Primer from YSL. It does have little gold flakes in it. It's so beautiful with the gold cap. It does come with a pump, so you can pump out just enough. So here it is, just a little clear drop with some little gold flecks in it. But when I tell you, it makes your skin feel like as smooth as a baby's freaking bottom before you put your makeup on. It is fantastic. It gives me no issues with my oily skin. It helps my makeup stay on all day. It really, really helps though, to me the most, with the enlarged pores. I like to smooth it in those areas where I have the texture and the pores before I blend my makeup on top. And it looks beautiful. It gives a great, great finish. Because I am not a filterer, if that's even a word. I don't like to filter pictures on Instagram. Like, I'm okay with me, I'm good. I don't feel like I need to hide or cover up anything from you guys. You know, I got a zit on my chin right now. I'm working with it, it's fine. Zits happen, things happen. We all have pores. I don't know who in this world doesn't have any pores in real life. So I'm good with me, but that primer does it really improves the look of the skin, the pores, makes the makeup last longer. So if you're ever in the market to treat yourself to something from YSL, check out that primer. It's really fantastic. And then next up, I have a couple of skincare items that I love. My husband loves them. He's been in my cleansers, he's been in my serums. It kind of drives me crazy, but you know, I mean, you want your man to look good. You want him to, you know, have some self-care going on. So as mad as I can't get like super mad because his skin looks amazing. It looks so good. So I'm talking about a couple of other items I got from Cosbar, which I have to say, if you guys don't know what Cosbar is, I'm actually, you know, a Cosbar employee. It is the company that I work for, and I'm very proud to be a part of the Cosbar family. It is amazing. It is a business that was started 42 years ago by like this amazing, strong woman, my girl boss hero, Lily Garfield. It's something that I'm really proud to be a part of. My location is in the Woodlands, Texas, in a place called Market Street. So if you're ever in Houston, if you're ever in the Woodlands, like stop by and see me and my team. We will pamper you and just make you feel amazing. There's actually 24 locations. So just like go on Instagram, type in Cosbar or Google it and check it out. And if you have one locally, you have to go in there. You'll have a great time. But anyway, we carry a line of amazing skincare called Tata Harper. You may have seen this online. You may have seen it. Some Sephora's carry it. I'm not sure. Mine does not. So I'm lucky enough that I can buy these at my own store. So I'm talking about my favorite cleanser in the whole wide world, which is the Clarifying Cleanser. When I tell you one pump is all you need, it's like perfectly measured, one pump, cleanse your face, and it's like, I swear to God, like I hear a freaking squeak. Like your skin is so squeaky clean. It feels like so refreshed and almost like minty. You know, like those York peppermint patty commercials with they're talking about that mint feeling. I swear to God, it's like that mint feeling, but on your face. It is fantastic, squeaky clean, deep down clean. It's perfect for blemish prone skin. It's great for sensitive skin just because Tata Harper is a very green line. I mean, their products go straight from like farm to face. They have no phthalates, no sulfates, none of that awful stuff that you don't want on your body. No chemicals, no artificial scents or smells. Like, it's just my obsession. As you can see, it's almost time to get another one. My husband and I have used this to death. I keep this in my shower and we've both been using it. I started noticing it disappearing a little bit too fast and I said, oh, my honey's been in my cleanser. But then what really got me was when that boy was in my doggone serum. Like, look at this. My serum's like all the way down to here. So this is my Tata Harper Rejuvenating Serum. Like, I live for this stuff. There it is right there. I pumped some out. You don't need a lot of this product. Like a pump, blend it into the skin. I mean, when I tell you your skin will feel just, for lack of a better word, I mean rejuvenated. It works deep down. The delivery system of the product is amazing. It penetrates really well. I love the smell of the natural ingredients. I just love the time that Tata takes with her products. She really, like, she's on the farm, she's looking at the plants, she's growing the crops, and just everything being done on site, like in Vermont at the lab. Just, I'm blown away by her commitment and just why she started the company in the first place. So I just think she's fantastic. She makes amazing products. Almost anything in that line I will use. Just, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So more on Tata Harper products to come. There's actually a regenerating cleanser that I'm going through right now as well, that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys and kind of showing you. Awesome, awesome, especially if you have textured skin. And then one more product to go. Last but not least, I'm going to be talking about a little luxury lip gloss right here. This is my Clé de Peau lip gloss, and this is in the shade number 4, Pink Aura. When I tell you I love this freaking lip gloss. Now the thing with Clé de Peau is that their skincare and their color is combined. So it's like makeup that's good for your skin, which is amazing. And even just look at this little, look at the applicator, the way it's twisted, the way it will hug your lips. I love it. And the color is beautiful. Let me swatch it for you guys. So here's the swatch of the shade Pink Aura. Now I have to say, this gloss has lip-loving ingredients. It's beautiful. It is just your traditional lip gloss though. It's not super pigmented. It's a soft pink tone with a slight shimmer that makes your lips look juicy and plump and beautiful. Amazing applicator, very unique applicator that I love very much, and it is not sticky. I hate a sticky lip gloss because the wind will blow, your hair will get in it, and then next thing you know, you got streaks of lip gloss across your face. Not sticky, not gooey, super comfortable on the lips, beautiful product. Oh, you know what? I said last but not least, but I lied, y'all. Sorry, I lied. I've got one more product that I can't live without. My Artis brush. This is, what number is this anyway? So this is my oval, yeah, my oval 8 brush. I'm obsessed with this thing. I did clean it just for this video. If you saw all the other dirty brushes that was down here, y'all would be ashamed of me right now, but whatever. I got too much life going on. I'm gonna clean them. They're gonna get clean. Do you hear all this? Bunch of dirty ass brushes, but I'm gonna clean them. But the Artis one is squeaky clean just for y'all. This is my number 8. I use this sucker to blend foundation, bronzer. I've even used it for blush at times. It works on so many levels. I think it's such a beautiful texture. The bristles feel amazing. This brush does not shed. Artis brushes don't shed. And I think that's amazing. Even the way that they are made, the craftsmanship that goes into these brushes, freaking fantastic product. I love, 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 love. Just a very unique brush. Great powder brush, great for bronzer, or I've even seen some of my clients use the larger one, the number 10, to do like self-tanner. So just keep that in mind. These brushes are also great when you're doing your skincare routine also. But anyway, just wanted to throw that last little ditty in there. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. Just kind of sharing with you a few of my holy grail products that I refuse to live without. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, please just drop them in the comment section below, and I'd love to answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.